Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much to all the continued love and support. So I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, and I'm going to be showing you my new Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how it comes and how it's packaged. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. So this is how it's packaged, and this is just some bubble wrap to protect the watch. And this is the sports band, and this is the box that it comes in. If you can see closely, it says watch right there. Like from here you can't see it, but from close you can see it says watch. This is the front, and this is the back. And this is the watch itself. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. It comes with little instructions here, and then there is your Apple Watch and your charger and the charging block. So it does tell you what Apple Watch it is, or how many millimeters it is. So this one is a 40 mm, and when you take it out of there, you turn it on. Okay, so there you have it. So all you have to do is bring an Apple iPhone to pair it with this watch. So now, before we pair it, we're going to read the instructions. Very simple and straightforward. So all you have to do is open your box, follow the steps to attach your band to Apple Watch. Okay, so this is the box for the band. And then when you open it, it will say watch here. And then it has your two bands in here. So it has the small one, which is here, small/medium, and then it has the large here. So my wrist is quite small. Let me put this here for you guys to see. So my wrist is quite small, so I'm going to be pairing this one with this one. So I'm just going to take that out, slide it out, and take this one out and slide it out too. This may be for future use maybe. And then I'm going to go back and take my Apple Watch, and then I'm going to attach the bands to the watch. So you see this right in the middle, you have like a magnet, and right in the middle of the watch here in between is like a little magnet too. So you're going to just slide that. You're going to take your watch, let me see, am I sliding it correctly? Yes. And you're going to hear it snap. That means it's fully secured. This cannot come out, it cannot go loose because of that magnet in the middle. Same here, you're going to do the same and just slide it, and you hear the sound, and you're good to go. You're gonna put it on and just slide that in there, and you're done. That's it. Another thing that I'm going to show you is how the charger works. So you just take that out, and slide that out. And take your block from here and you're going to attach it onto there. And then I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see. So once you place your watch there, it starts to charge. When you take it out, so it's like it has a magnet that sticks right to the watch and it starts to charge. And that's how the charger works. So the Apple Watch has a glass top just like the iPhone. So I wanted to protect it in case I hit my hand on the door or accidentally hit it on a solid item. So I decided to buy a cover for my Apple Watch for me to be able to protect it from any unforeseen circumstances. So now I'm just cleaning the watch from all the fingerprints from touching the watch, and then I'm also going to clean the cover, and then I'm going to place the watch in the protective cover. So after you safely secure the cover, your iWatch is protected, and then just place the bands back on and you're good to go. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For me, it is goodbye and see you next time.